My girlfriend and I went to Romania to visit her home country and get to know it better. I planned to hike part of the new and incredible Via Transilvanica trail system outside of the town of Sighisoara where we stayed. I will show you more of Sighisoara and how charming it is later in the video. The Via Transilvanica is 1,400 kilometers long and is known as Europe's best kept secret as it's not even 4 years old. It's also referred to as the Camino de Santiago of Romania. They made an incredible app that points to every part of the trail system, and there's over 1,400 markers, one for each kilometer. It was a huge endeavor to create this system, and I will share more details about this on the trail.
Turn left.
I drove about 20 miles from Sighisoara to a town called Criș. This is where my adventure began on the Via Transilvanica trail. Unfortunately, it was raining today, and I really wanted to turn around, but I just had to see a tiny portion of the Romanian countryside. I'm so glad I trudged on because, as you'll see, the skies opened up later and I was able to get this great drone footage, soak up the sun, and dry out. At first glance, Criș appears to be a small, sleepy town. I'm only about 200 feet from the car and have already found my first marker using the app. Like I said, there's over 1,400 of these, and each one has been uniquely carved. Very impressive, and now I'm officially on the Via Transilvanica. Criș is a commune of Dineș in the Transylvania region. Criș has a mixed population of Romanians, Saxons, and Hungarians, and is part of a region that is rich in fortified churches and traditional Transylvania culture. It is also known for the historic Bethlen Castle, a beautiful Renaissance castle that was once the seat of a noble family.
Cute little small town. I wonder if the population's even 1,000.
The population of Criș is approximately 700 people. Romania is known for its many bears with the largest population in Europe. Luckily, they are brown bears and less aggressive.
But seriously, look at these fall colors. Wow. Oh God, geez, shit. It really is an amazing app.
The trail is marked really well. As I follow the trail on the app, it closely matches the actual trail.
It's going to be interesting on the way down. I'm also recording an all trails hike of this right now, so I'll put that link in the description below. So crazy impressed with how well this is marked. You don't even need the app. Wow. That red and white marking over here to continue, so I know I'm going the right way. This is awesome. These leaves are truly helping me from falling right on my ass. But Sighisoara is the most charming little town. Check this out. Yeah, you Instagram influencer people, what have you? Yeah, go there.
So I got cocky and stopped looking at the app and ended up going straight when I should have gone right.
Oops.
I got right back on the app and it immediately told me where to turn.
Ah, missed that. Shoot.
The path that unites. That is the mission statement behind the Via Transilvanica Trail. One of their goals for this trail was to unite all people of Romania and to show hikers the beauty of the towns and countryside, no matter how small they are. So yeah, duty called and I couldn't hold it any longer. It was the last thing I wanted to do out here, but I had to get creative. The coast looked clear.
Not exactly like Charmin, but it did the trick. Sorry, TMI. Looky here. Yeah, I think I would trade the weather for these fall colors. Just so beautiful. Yeah, zero training for this, honestly, but we have been averaging about 17,000 steps a day, and 2 weeks ago, I climbed Mount Etna in Sicily. I made a video of that as well, and I'll leave a link of that in the description below. Cool. Loving these markers. They're motivating to go to the next one.
But Derek, what about all those bears?
Oh yeah, trust me. I do a 360 once in a while. Oh yeah.
I mean, that is the whole premise of my YouTube channel. Stretch yourself in every way possible. Seeking discomfort is how we evolve and how we grow to be grateful for what we have.
So yeah, fear and seek discomfort. Just don't get yourself killed in the process. Not one person.
This app exactly matches with the terrain and the markers. Very easy to use.
Not exactly a hiking trail, but so glad to be off of that mud.
Speaking of the mud, that's where my trekking poles would have been useful, but I didn't pack them for this trip. This hike doesn't have much elevation at all, but I'd highly suggest bringing a pair just in case. I have made my way through a forest, a huge cornfield, a long country road, and now approaching another small town called Florești. I searched everywhere on the interwebs looking for information about this town, and there is very little.
Saramuna? English, but yeah. Yes. Let's see, Zima Buna. Oh, yeah, rain. I know, yeah.
This is still considered to be part of the Transylvania region, which of course was made famous by Bram Stoker's novel Dracula about Vlad the Impaler. One thing I did find on the internet is this picture which exactly matches what I hiked next to. This church was built in 1424. Pretty incredible. Some of the original furniture is in the Cluj Art Museum.
Buna! Sorry, I speak only English.
Да.
Yeah. Do you speak English?
Да.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
А?
I'm just hiking. What's that?
Да.
Yeah, okay. Oh, money? Money? Oh, I don't have any money. Sorry, no. Sorry. Ziwa Buna. Okay.
Okay, that was an awesome interaction. Made me wonder how many other hikers he's approached before me. I would have done the same thing when I was his age.
Totally not sure what that means, but gonna keep going forward for a little bit. Find the next marker.
Populations in smaller towns have dwindled in the last 10 years, and the Romanian government would like to see a renewed interest in these small towns and watch the populations grow. They hope the Via Transilvanica will facilitate that renewed interest. Oh, 588.
I am cold, I am wet, and I'm getting tired. So I am turning around. Wow. Okay. Just felt like hiking.
I feel physically, spiritually, and mentally renewed on the trail.
But if you're watching this, you already know what I'm talking about, right?
I wish I could reach out to my girlfriend and check in with her.
No cell service this whole time. I hope she can feel that I'm okay. There you go. There you go, buddy.
I'm so incredibly grateful for the opportunity to do this. Before I met Ella, I couldn't find Romania on a map. I recognized how special this is, and I can't believe this is my life.
Finally, the rain let up. I think I can launch the drone. Just when I thought this couldn't get more magical. I hope they're okay with this. Hi guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. This is just, oh, I hope this is okay. Oh my God. Yeah, let's try to get on the trail here. Wow. Hi guys. Bună! Mulțumesc! Oh my God, this is so funny. He can't hear me because he's listening. He's listening to a podcast or something. I'm trying to say thank you for letting me pass, but oh my God, he's just looking at his iPhone. That's so funny. I guess the dogs are okay with me though. God, there's gotta be about 7 or 8 dogs managing these goats. Yeah, you know, just hiking on the Via Transilvania trail somewhere on the Romanian countryside. You know, just checking out all the goats. Yeah, no big deal, you know. I can't believe what a privilege this is. Bună! Seara bună!
This is the Bethlen Castle from the street view. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to tour the place.
Whew, that's it. Okay. I'm here. All done. Hey, I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions about Sighisoara or Romania or about this trail or Via Transilvania, please reach out. Let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.